Are you ready to be a professional now?
Am I ready to be professional?
Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to do all of the beginner swing patterns that you've already learned and put them in a little combination or routine to practice in. Let's get into it.
We're gonna put all the patterns in order: basic, turns, cradle, and hammerlock, just the way you learned them. You can just see how we kind of transition from one to the other. So we're going basic first, closed. Then I open up on the second basic to go into the underarm turn to the right, come back again to the left, and then I do a whole nother basic as I ask for her hand, and then we get to go into the cradle right away. And right after the cradle, immediately, we go into the hammerlock. We see each other again, and now I can bring her back into a basic, and that's the combination of our basic patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick.